Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will show you the way how to manage your content for businesses in Instagram story. So if you're selling an item or product on Instagram or on any e-commerce platform, you can do this to help promote your product. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application. And after that, you just need to visit the Instagram story sections right here by click this plus blue button. And after that, you just need to pick the picture. So let's say here I am selling this headphone, and I would like to promote this where my followers or where my viewers can find this product. So you just need to add or generate the link for this. So the thing that you have to do is just copy the link of the product that you sold on from the e-commerce or any applications of it, and after that you just need to go click this button and go click this link. After you copy them, just go paste here, and you can also customize the sticker text by adding get it here, and after that you just need to go click done. And now you just need to adjusting where you want to place the stickers. You even can change it by go click the text here, and after you're done choosing the right style of view, now you just need to go click add into your story, and you're done. So that's the way how to make your Instagram story for business purposes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.